Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall apps on Windows. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you two methods how you can do that. First is that you can head over to your settings and from the left hand side, you're going to click on apps. And as you do so, you'll be able to see all types of apps. So you're going to click on installed apps at the top. And here you'll be able to see all of the apps that you have installed on your PC. So if you wish to uninstall an app, for example, if you wish to uninstall Adobe Acrobat, you're going to click on the three dots right next to it, and you'll be able to see two options, modify and uninstall. So you're going to click on uninstall. And if for some reason this method is not working for you, you can go to the search bar and type in control panel. So over here, you'll be able to see a couple of options. Your concern is with programs, and right beneath it, you'll be able to see uninstall a program. Click on it and select any program you wish to uninstall. Right click on that and you'll be able to see an uninstall button. Simply click on that and you're good to go. So that is how you can uninstall apps on Windows. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.